Hi guys, welcome back to Decorating Happily Ever After. I'm Jeffrey Kevin. Today I want to share with you my summertime fruit tablescape. So let's take a look around the table. For this tablescape, I'm going to be using my yellow and white check tablecloth. And I'm also using my gold chargers. I have a sweet pattern of china that I'm using today. It's called Tristy, and each one has a different fruit on the serving pieces. The dinner plates feature the strawberry, and they have a laurel leaf design around the edge, and a yellow band, and a gold rim. To bring out the blue, I'm going to be using my vivid blue napkins. And on the salad plates, it features each of the fruits. There's blueberries, strawberries, grapes, oranges, and peaches. I'm going to be using my gold flatware today. For the stemware, I'm using my cut glass Longchamp. And I'm also going to pair it with a set of glasses. These are kind of a cane, a gold cane pattern. And here where the bread and butter plate goes, I'm going to put the teacup and saucer. This set doesn't have bread and butter plates, and if you're a stickler for the rules, the teacup is actually supposed to go on the other side, but I like symmetry and don't like to hide the teacup, so oh well, it's going to wind up on this side for today. For the centerpiece today, I'm using one of my floral designs. This is from my store, Rose Tree Interiors. And in this arrangement, I have yellow orchids. And the color scheme is yellows, blues, greens, pinks. I've got fern, and nestled here in the bottom are these cute little monkey face pods, and it's in a footed container. I thought the colors of this arrangement went really well with the china. I think this is such a happy little pattern with the fruits. It would be great for a breakfast table. You could serve blueberry and strawberry pancakes or fruit with it. I think would be really nice. Here on this side, I've got a cute little apple pitcher. I thought the colors blended pretty with the tablecloth. And I'm kind of mixing casual and dressy. I did the gold flatware and chargers because the plates are edged in gold, but yet the tablecloth of the check is a little more casual, so you can mix the dressy and the casual. And Mother found this set of dishes at an antique/junk shop. A lot of antique shops sell things that really aren't antique, and she found these and I thought they were so pretty. Now the gold cane glasses, I found those at an estate sale. I've had those for a long time. I think they would be great for iced tea or lemonade. And here at this end, I have jam jars. These are there's a peach. It would be great for putting your peach preserves and your orange marmalade in. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave me a comment below. Give this video a thumbs up and share it with a friend. Be sure and subscribe to my channel, Decorating Happily Ever After, and turn on the notifications bell so you never miss a video. I'm Jeffrey Kevin, hoping that you decorate happily ever after. Bye-bye now.